Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this we are going to discuss some of the doubts which many people have asked me regarding the admit card and the process of examination and how we need to enter the exam and what documents we need to carry and what mistakes we need to avoid during the exam process. So in this video we'll go deeper into this topic. So first of all, the admit card will be released before 3 days of the exam. So maybe it will release tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Just 3 days before the exam, you will get your admit card through the website itself. You just need to log in there and there we can download your admit card. In that admit card, they will mention the specific location in the admit card. I will post my admit card here and you can see there is an exact location where you will get the center and what time you need to attend. So this is how this is regarding the admit card. And one more thing, the location will be around 600 kilometer radius. Okay, 500 to 600 kilometers radius. So you have to go one day before the exam and stay there. The next day you can attend the exam and finish the exam. And the day of the exam will be mostly in the morning times, as we have as they have already released the schedule, and the exam will be on the morning time at 9 a.m. So you have to reach the institute or the center before 8:30 a.m. So it's better to go early so that the verification process will be very easy and very fast. So let me talk about my experience when I have visited the center. I got my center in the Tirupati KMM college. There one day before I went there and stayed at my friend's house, and the next day I went at 7:30 a.m. So when I went there, you have to carry your Aadhaar card, the original Aadhaar card. There is no Xerox Aadhaar card allowed. And if you don't have the original Aadhaar card, you can go to a net center, tell them to print a Aadhaar card where you will get the tick mark. There will be one blue tick mark. I'll paste a photo here also. You can just look into this. Tell them we need a Aadhaar card to serve as a identity proof in the exam, during the exam. So you can tell them, they will take a print and give it to you. And one more thing, when you are taking your Aadhaar card, ask them to unlock your biometric. Biometric in the sense, when you go to the exam center, they will do verification by using your fingerprint. So when your biometric is locked, the fingerprint will not work, and there you will waste lot of time to unlock that biometric, and you need to enter the exam center. So to prevent that mistakes, because in my center now many people don't have this unlocked biometric from the Aadhaar card, so they have faced a lot of issue there. So they have wasted a lot of time also. So it's better to open the biometric, check the biometric. You can check yourself itself. You can check, you can go through some YouTube videos where they will teach you how to unlock the biometric. If you don't know the process, just go to a net center. He will unlock it for you. So it will be better and it will be easy when you attend the exam. I have went to the exam at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I have carried two copy of admit card. I have taken color print. You can also do that. Black and white also, well, black and white is also okay. There is no issue in that. So they have asked me to carry one single copy of the admit card together with the one identity proof, original identity proof. The identity proof should be the document which you uploaded during the application process. If you have uploaded your Aadhaar card, carry the Aadhaar card. If you have uploaded your PAN card, carry the PAN card number. Like that, you have to submit one identity proof, that is original proof. So when you enter there, they will do first verification. In the entrance itself, they will do first verification. They will check all of your pockets and everything, and they will do one biometric scan. Just they will do a fingerprint thumb. They will check the admit card and they will paste one sticker on the admit card. Okay, they will paste one sticker on the admit card. It validates that you are eligible to enter the exam center. Once you get the sticker, you need to go to the room which is allotted to you. There, when you go there, and there also you need to go through another verification process, and they will call you to sit near a camera. They will take a live photo of you, and they will take another one thumbprint. They will take left hand thumbprint. They will take one more thumbprint and do the verification. Then they will allot you a computer, okay, a dedicated place for you. Then you have to go there and wait for the exam. The exam will start at 9 a.m. mostly. Exactly 9 a.m. the exam will be starting, and they will give the password also. The password itself is your date of birth or your registration number. I'm not remembering that, but mostly there will be one small password of your ID and everything. Then you just need to click it and you will get the a paper. In paper now, you will have 5 sets of the paper. Each set contains 20 questions and you will get 18 minutes to complete that set. Until unless the 18 minutes is over, you can't go to the next set. You have to wait for 18 minutes. That's the main issue here. So you will get 5 sets of 18 minutes each. You will get 20 questions in each set. You have to attempt the question there itself. And you can go through back and front, but you need to stay in that set itself. Once the time is over, you can go to the next set, but you can't go back to the first set again. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. There are 5 sets. Once you finish the set, then you can go to the second set. The same way goes to all 5 sets. The last 2 sets will be mostly the non-technical part, which we need a lot of time, but we have very less time during the exam. So I hope you prepare very well, and this is the pattern of the exam. And if you want to do some rough work in the AIIMS now, you have to do the rough work backside of your hall ticket. You can do whatever rough work you want in the backside of the hall ticket, and you will get 90 minutes of time to complete the exam. Once you complete the exam, they will take the hall ticket with them. Okay, you shouldn't take the hall ticket with you. They will take over the hall ticket after the exam, and you have to wait for some time. Then later also they will do one more verification at the last. Once you complete the exam, you have to go for the another verification process. There they will again take your thumbprint, and you are free to go out of the exam. That's the process of the exam. Total process of the exam will be going to happen. Here you need to avoid the mistakes. Number one is you need to unlock your biometric scan in the Aadhaar card. It's better to unlock it before attending the exam. And second thing, you shouldn't carry any other items apart from your hall ticket and your Aadhaar card. They will give the pen, they will give everything. You just need to go and attend the exam. Okay, and no electronic items, no any metal items will be allowed. No watch is allowed. Nothing is allowed. You just need to go with your hall ticket and your Aadhaar card. That's the only requirement they ask. And apart from that, everything will be okay. Main thing, you need to prepare well, because we have only 90 minutes of time. First 4 sets or 3 sets will be easy because it will come from our own domain, and after that last 2 sets it will be non-technical math and reasoning part. In that we need lot of time, but we usually get very less time. There you will do mistakes. And number 3, you have to skip the question if you don't know the answer. Don't try to attempt it. If you want to attempt, just attempt 7 questions, not more than that. I hope it's clear. You need to attempt 7 questions. We call it a tuka marna. Okay, we can guess 7 questions, but not more than that, because if you go more than that, you will get lot of negative marks. Okay, if you don't know the answer, just leave the answer. It's better than to get a negative mark. So if you don't know the answer, skip the answer. And I have told you one more trick in the exam. Wherever a question, the answer is big one compared to other options, the single option is very big and it justifies the answer, most of the 90% of the time the answer will be correct. And second trick, whenever answer is mentioned and there is one bracket and they have mentioned other word, other explanation in the bracket, always go for the bracket one. It will be the answer most of the time. 90% of the cases it will be the answer. And if they have given the option and together in the last bracket they have mentioned some explanation, some kind of word, then it will be the answer. This is how you need to you can use this trick and you can solve the answers. Apart from that, you need to just do on your own. If you don't know the answer, just leave the question. If you know the answer, then only try to attempt it, or else you will get lot of negative marking. Here you will get major negative marking. Even though if you do a lot of questions correct and you have done lot of questions wrong, then you will go into the negative marking stage. It's better to avoid the mistakes. So to attend the exam, there is no NOC required. Some of the aspirant has asked me to whether they will ask an NOC to attend the exam. So they don't ask anything apart from your admit card and your Aadhaar card. That's all. They don't ask anything. And one of the aspirant also asked me regarding their issue. They have met as accident and they have done the plastering on the legs. Okay, and in that case now you better carry your medical certificate, because in some cases now they don't believe you that you have got hurt and you have done this plastering. So better to carry a medical certificate from the doctor which you are consulting, and you can show them to verify as a proof, or else they will think you have come to copy an exam. For that reason, it's better to take a medical certificate. It will be safe side. If they allow you, then no problem, well and good. If they don't allow you, you can show the medical certificate for that. And apart from that, most of the questions are from admit card related. Your admit card will be released just 3 days before the exam, and you can download it in the website itself. They will show admit card download. Okay, I will paste a screenshot also here. You can just go through it. It will be same screenshot will be available in your website also. You just need to log in there and click on the download website, download admit card. You will get whole admit card. And one more thing, when you take a admit card print, there is a IP number. There is IP number on the top of the admit card. The IP number is very, very important. You should print together with that. I'll show the photo here also. You can just go through it. You need to paste this admit card IP number. Whenever you download the admit card, they will give you IP number and the date of and time of the download. You have to keep that in the paper itself. You have to download it by full. You shouldn't crop it or download it. Okay, you can do that. Apart from that, these are the questions, and I hope mostly I have cleared the questions for you. And all the best for your exam, and do well, and don't get tensed. It will be easy, but be confident, be patient, and be cool. Until then, we'll meet in next video.